If you're a new YouTuber, then come close. And if you are an old YouTuber and you're not using VidIQ or VidIQ is not your friend, then come closer. So ever since I started using the VidIQ app, my channel has never been the same. Like the growth has been massive. I'm not where I want to be yet, but I'm not where I used to be. And I love the growth. See, VidIQ is a game changer. It is the real deal. I am addicted to VidIQ. Yes, that's what I call it. It's an addiction because I cannot upload video without running to that app to do the necessary checks, adjustments, and all of that. So, guys, what's that called? Addiction. So, VidIQ is a YouTube growth tool and online education platform that offers video tutorials on how to grow YouTube channel. It helps with keywords, SEO, and YouTube growth generally. So let me tell you how I use VidIQ. I schedule my posts. I don't upload immediately, whether shorts or the long form video. I only put up my community posts immediately. That's the only thing I don't schedule, but for my short and long form videos, I schedule them. So what I do is that after uploading my video from, not from my YouTube app directly, but from the website, and when it's published, then I go to my YouTube studio and do all the necessary touches, confirm if I left something and all of that. Then after everything, I'm sure that, okay, I'm satisfied, this is it. Then I run to the VidIQ app. I'm currently using the free version and the free version is loaded. So using the paid version gives you more features, and I'd love to try the paid versions because for me to get so much value from the free version, how about the paid version? I'm sure that will be so loaded. So I go to vidIQ immediately and go on that particular upload, the one I schedule, and I begin work on them. So I check the SEO it gives me, and I begin work on them from the title to the thumbnail to the keywords, the hashtags, and all of that. Then it suggests some keywords and some SEO terms and all of that. And I pick the ones I want, the ones that match with my videos, and I make necessary adjustments. As I'm making the adjustments, the things are changing. I'm getting more marks, and my video is improving, and I feel happy. So after doing all of that, and I'm sure that okay, this is it. I think I'm satisfied to some extent. Then I save it and wait for when my video will upload. So this is my YouTube studio and I'm taking it to unlisted, then scheduling the post the same day but after like 4 or 5 hours. This is to give YouTube time to get used to the video, to understand it, and also to give me time to go to the app that's VidIQ to do the necessary checks and all of that. So this is the vidIQ app, and from the top you can see title, thumbnail, details, SEO, and the checklist is there. It gives the category of everything you need to put your videos in place. So I'm trying to check what is wrong with all the categories, and you can see the rates it's given for all categories. So I'm going back now from the title. It suggested a title for me, but I'm cool with my own, so I went straight to the thumbnail. I'm trying to change my thumbnail. You can choose not to, but to give the video more advantage, you can put the thumbnail. Depending on the kind of device you use, I don't know if a system gives it the space to put on a full photo as thumbnail, but I don't usually put on thumbnails on my shorts. So after that, I went straight to the details, which has the tags and hashtags in the description. So these are the recommended tags given by vidIQ, and I'm adding to the ones I already put on the video. Usually I don't even put much tags, I just put a little and go to vidIQ because I know it will suggest amazing tags for me. Now take a look at the SEO column at the top. It wasn't on 29, but it increased to that score because of the changes I was making on that video. Now I can see that I'm already getting better rates, but this title is still showing red. It wants me to do more work on it. So basically this is it, guys. Trust me, each time I do that, I see so much improvement in my videos. My videos do well whenever I do that. So I don't even make that mistake of uploading videos without visiting VidIQ. And while doing that, I could see my scores, like it rates one's videos according to the performance. Yes, it rates performances of videos, and that is lovely. It makes the job super easy, guys. And I hope that after watching this video, if you're not glued to the VidIQ app, you will stay glued to it as far as you're a YouTuber. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.